1,000 may nag-subscribe sa akin, si Kuya Nudge magpaparapol na R5.
Oh, R511 raffle po.
Oh, yan
raffle ako. Oh, syempre. Galing kay Gene1CX. Guys, hintayin nyo. Subscribe kayo si Gene1CX. And I will raffle one R511 from Gene1CX. Subscribe kayo. Subscribe. I will put the link in the description, guys. Subscribe. If you need R511, subscribe Gene1CX. I will make sure you will get R511. I'm sure he will get from Gene1CX.
Good morning, guys. Assalamualaikum. Yeah, here I am with Mr. For the views and Imprint Custom and JR and Pau and JP. So here we just park here in Orion Exos, Orion. So we are going to meet Jason and everybody in LX. So guys, I will see you in a while when we are riding. So here is a lineup: Yamaha, BMW, GS2, Kawasaki, Ducati. So see you later. LX time. There is Mr. Portebios. Pau is here. Papi Gian is behind. Imprint, Papi Gian. JR is here. JR. So I will see you guys on the meeting place. Let's go. Meeting place as usual. Here is Mr. Jesse. Kamusta, bro? Good morning. Sa brother. Oh. Ikaw. Kamusta, bro? Oh, dito guys. This is our lineup for today. So let's see. There are more to come. So in a while. Here is Gene1CX. Here is Hammerman and the Team Graffiti group, and there are so many of them. We are just waiting for the others to come. So the tagal sila. So here is Mr. Jesse. Mr. Jesse. Mr. For the views. Si Papi Gian.
Mamaya na yung vlog. Takbo na tayo.
Yeah, for the views, Mr. Jesse, Imprint, Hank, Jack, Orion. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Mr. For the views. Mr. Hang. Na lang ako. Some of the bike are behind us because they are using the 400 and I think 700 cc's. They couldn't keep up. So this is a boys having a 1000 cc's. Sana walang ulan. It's a nice ride. Should not be like last time. Here is Mr. Imran, Papi Jian. Mr. Orion and Ducati Monster. Yun. Yeah guys, we actually stop over here with Mr. Portabius.
Those bikes that came with us, they're still there.
Yeah, the Ninja 4000 Gene 1 CX Bagal. Yeah, here all of us are here, but you know, the Gene 1 CX, the underbone guy is still somewhere in the expressway. I think they is coming right now. Bagal sila oh 100 lang takbo namin, tapos hindi nila habol. So dito kami lahat. So hintayin natin sila. Mamaya na lang boys. As you can see, all the Ninja 4000cc, Ninja 4000. Oh, Ninja 4000 ito. Ito si Hammerman, others are just to reach. So let's go boys. Here is Mr. Jesse, Mr. Hang. If you don't know the Hang, he is the one is making the chin mount for all the vloggers. So there is picture si Pao, yung motor niya. So yung iba wala pang easy trip. Kahit may easy trip, doesn't open. That is a thing happening here in expressway, like I mentioned in my last vlog. Yeah, that is actually happening here. So I just did some good detailing here, and this one I will tell you what I have done here, and something I just did some upgrades on my bike. So I have one vlog is coming up, so that upgrade what I have done here, you will see. It's something very interesting. Here in Cafe Mesa, parking mode with the toys, and there are some underbone Ninja 4000 Gene 1 CX, walang kwenta. Dito guys, park nyo. I will see you inside guys. Look at Gene 1 CX. Sobrang sweet, no? Ganun kami. So you know why he is doing like this? He is bringing all the things and doing. He is looking for a subscribers. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. He just wanted me to shout out. Please subscribe Gene 1 CX. He's doing so many things, guys. Please subscribe his channel. Ka muna dito.
Hindi kasi kailangan na may nakaupo rito eh. Lumalamig yung kuhan eh.
Okay na?
Init na.
Okay na?
Init na.
So, ilan na subscriber gusto mo ngayon? Ilan subscriber gusto mo ngayon?
Ilan subscriber?
Gusto mo?
Walang kwenta mga vlog ni Kuya Naj.
J-Mac?
Bigyan mo na kahit 10. Okay lang yung 10. Oh, bargain na.
Grabe naman yung 10.
Okay na?
Oo, okay na.
Hindi, okay lang. 1,000.
Tapos, 10 sa Triumph JT, 10 sa akin, 30 yun.
Hindi, 1,000 binigay ko.
Ay, 1,000. It's too much.
Pag 1,000 may nag-subscribe sa akin, si Kuya Naj magpaparapol na R5.
Oh, R511 raffle po.
Oh, yan
raffle ako. Oo, syempre. Galing kay Gene 1 CX. Guys, hintayin nyo. Subscribe kayo si Gene 1 CX. And I will raffle one R511 from Gene 1 CX. Subscribe kayo. Subscribe.
Subscribe. I will put the link in the description, guys. Subscribe. If you need R511, subscribe Gene1CX. I will make sure you will get R511. I'm sure he will get them. From Gene1CX.
Came from Kuya Nudge.
Yeah, I will be the one give it to you, but coming from Gene1CX. Here is, yeah, here is a witness. Mr. For the views.
Ayan o, si Mr. HJC.
Yeah, Mr. HJC, oh, ready. Mr.
Tawag ko na
HJC.
sa office.
Yeah, ready daw.
Ano, pamigay mo kay Nudge yung Marvel, mas mahal yun.
Hello, Ryan.
Marvel.
Marvel daw, sabi ni Mr. For the views.
Ang halaga nun, 28.5, bibili ni Jin yun. Irarapol ni Kuya Nudge.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, subscribe kayo. Gene1CX, R511, Marvel. Yeah, dito may proof tayo dito si Mr. HJC.
Calling Ryan.
Ayan na, tawagan na.
Yeah, for the abuse. And Mr. Hang. Oh, there is mga photographer.
Chin mount din daw, chin mount.
Okay lang yung chin mount. Oy.
Sige, puro chin mount na lang, buuin natin.
Dalawang chin mount daw, dalawa. From R511. Oh. So, kailangan natin ng dagdag na subscriber ito. Para meron tayo ng
50,000.
Not 50,000. Dagdag mo na lang 1,000, 2,000. Okay lang yan.
Pagbibigay ka na lang, tinipid mo pa.
Yes. Here is Hammerman, busy.
Yo.
Chatting with the who?
What?
Sorry, English pala.
Oo, bawal English ko na.
Dito.
Gene1CX for your views.
Hi, Papi.
Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Imprint.
Good morning, Mr. Nudge.
Yeah.
What's up?
Support kayo sa Imprint Customs.
Oo.
Marikina branch.
Thank you,
Dito
thank you.
si Papi JR.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, boys. And dito, Mr. Orion. Good morning. Orion.
Buhay na buhay.
Good morning. Yeah. Good morning, Hammerman. Good morning, ate. We are actually leaving, and I am switching the bike, and I am going to use this R1. And the Jason.
Kasi baka maiwan ka pag nagtakbuhan sa ano mamaya, di ba? Alam mo naman kami magpatakbo.
Oo, alam ko yan.
Joke lang. Alam ko, iwan kami rin. Kaya magpapaalam na kami dito pa lang.
So, sige guys, and Jason is going to use that H2. He must be so impressed because I know the power of that ZH2. So happy. Jesse on ZH2, and he is so impressed because that is something else. Even you try all the bikes, when you sit on the ZH2, the power, the handling, and the braking, all the things are totally different from any bikes. We switch back again the bikes, so now he is going to follow me. But R1 is good for me, okay bike, but I don't like the, you know, the position of the bike, because you get very tired on that bike. And so many of them told me that when they feel, you know, even only 100 kilometers, they feel the pain on the back. So actually he is behind me. So we are going back, and the other guys are just went for RFID thing. So me and Jason is going back to Manila. The breakfast ride was amazing, guys. It was nice to ride with those guys, especially with Mr. Jesse, Mr. Portebius, Mr. Jane CX, Hammerman, and Mr. Team Gravity, and Papi Gian, Mr. Imbrain, and all the guys. It was very amazing breakfast ride, and this time to go home. So guys, I will see you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Peace.